Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss what Power BI Professional includes, so let's start. Power BI Professional is a user-based license, which essentially means that it is granted per user, and once it's given or granted to a user, they can share their content via Power BI service. The only caveat is that the person they share the content with also needs to have a Power BI Pro license, unless you have a premium workspace, which we will cover in a separate video. So what does Power BI Pro include? It includes everything that Power BI Free comes with, which is essentially usage to the Power BI desktop, and then you can push it on to the Power BI service. I've got additional details on what Power BI Free includes in the previous video. I've got a link to that video in the video notes, so you can have a look at that if you want. So what else does Power BI Pro include? It includes the ability to download and analyze the data in Excel. So you can download your report and play with it in Power BI or in Excel. You can create content and share it via shared workspaces. So you can create your own workspaces, push your content into it, and then you can share it with other users. But the other users need to have a Power BI Pro license as well. Otherwise, they will not be able to access this content. They can also access content in a shared workspace shared with them by the other users who've also got Pro licenses. You can create and share apps, and you can create report and dashboard subscriptions. So email comes into your inbox saying that somebody's added a report or changed a report or a dashboard. So in this video, we've covered what Power BI Professional includes. And I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.